and welcome back to another vlog in the Bangalore life. We are ready to go. We are headed to Brigade Road today. So this is the outfit. I'm wearing this pink dress, just don't mind the bags. This pink dress and these shoes that my brother was shading me for. So please let me know in the comments. Ooh, look at that leg vein. Let me know in the comments if these shoes go with the outfit. What do you guys think? So we're going to the car now and I wanted to share what's in my snack bag. I have a mini Fanta. My brother has a mini, not a mini, full-size Diet Coke, and we don't drink aerated drinks, but I got this from Europe, so I'm forcing him to eat this. We have some cake, we have a granola bar. My brother has a bag full of water, because we need to be hydrated. It's at 1.9 liters.
1.8.
That's huge. So yeah, and my mom has a basket full of food for her. Let's go explore. Okay guys, so we made a quick pit stop because our destination is quite far to Starbucks. Of course, you guys know, do you remember our Starbucks vlogs? I got myself a ginger ale cold brew, which is basically cold brew coffee with ginger ale. And I asked them to add just a bit of milk so it's not so strong. And you got a?
I got myself a Belgium chocolate. This was initially a Frappuccino, but I got this in hot, yeah. And it's okay. I've had this previously as well.
Okay, so let's see this one. I hope my stomach doesn't. Okay, let's see.
Cheers.
It's so nice.
Damn, it's just too hot. But it's okay. Yeah.
And you wanna try it one sip? He doesn't drink a lot of cold drinks. I asked him to remove the ice and now the drink is only this much.
बाप रे, aerated है क्या ये?
Ginger ale.
तभी पी ली मम्मी ने.
Anyways, she's a rebel.
ठीक है.
Nobody likes it basically.
नहीं, अच्छी है.
I like it. Try ginger ale with, try your at home Nescafe, whatever, and add soda water or ginger ale with it. Tell me how it is. Let's go on with our journey. If you guys have ever wondered why don't they maintain things in India, why don't they do that? I don't know where I read this or did I just make this up. The aesthetic of Indian heritage is they leave it as it was. In China, Japan, even Korea, they'll paint over it if you've noticed. I think London and all that, they try to refurbish and maintain it to make it look like how it was. But here, they leave it how it is. Call that laziness or that's just the aesthetic of the historical architecture here. Maybe I've read this in my tourism, I don't know, but that's what it is. So this was the Tipu Sultan Mahal. I loved it. Thank you so much for showing it to me. I love history and it was a success. Chocolate brothers strawberry tasty, Mama?
Actually tasty है.
You know why it's viral now? So guys, we were at Brigade Road and we saw the street food culture and it was so cute. So we actually there was this uncle who was selling these Arabic desserts. So we got a kunafe. He was gonna put sugar syrup, so we said just a little bit. And then we got this jelly-like Arabic dessert. So let's give it a try. My mom wants to try as well.
सेवियां उसके ऊपर. That's disgusting.
I wish sevia was more creamy, more crunchy, but do you want to try? What do you think, Mama? Imagine or crunchy hoti sevia. The milk pudding. Let's give it a go.
मतलब ये fresh बनानी और खानी है.
For immediate consumption.
Milk pudding is nice. Texture at first is a bit, but the pudding is nice.
It's a bit. But the.
Mama, you want to taste it?
What's that with the?
It's like kheer without the rice. So delicious. Hello everyone, and I'm back home in my new PJs from West Side. We bought so many books today, so I quickly wanted to do a book haul for you guys. Like, look at this. I can't even hold it in one hand. We bought so many books. By the way, we also bought this pillow from H&M Home. Isn't it so interesting and like very stylish? Very my brother's aesthetic. The first book I bought is called The Story of a Long Distance Marriage by Siddhesh Inamdar. Also, these are all from Blossom Bookstore. So, my friend Chanel, if you guys remember, told me about this. So, if you buy a book from the Blossom Bookstore, say I finish this book, I go back to them, I return this to them, I can buy my next book at 50% off. Isn't that amazing? So, they put the Blossom tag so I can return it. So, it's this one. Next book is 10 Judgments That Changed India. These are like laws or bills that were passed in the Indian Constitution in the 90s, like 1970s and stuff like that, that have shaped our freedoms that we have today. So I thought this would be very interesting, and it's such a pretty book. I do judge my book by their covers. I got one book by Shobha Narayan called Namma Bangalore, the Soul of Metropolis. I think this is about Bangalore, so I would like to know more, like the best places in Bangalore or something like that. So I'll read this and let you guys know. My mom bought Kath Chanakya. My brother bought The Chainsaw Man, Volume 5. Right here. He also bought The Chainsaw Man Volume 6. And I bought Shahnaz Treasury's book called All He Left Me Was a Recipe. These are lessons from my breakups. She said half of it is fiction, half of it is fact. So I'm interested to read this book. I've read Soha Ali Khan's book and it was amazing. Such a breeze, and it's so well written. I read Twinkle Khanna's book again. It's so well written. So I really had good luck with these books. I also read Miss Malini's book. That one was a lukewarm book. So I'm excited to read this one. Love the cover as well. So let's see how these go, and if I manage to finish these while I'm here, maybe I'll go back and return them to the Blossom Bookstore. Stay tuned for that. Today's day was a huge success. We did so much, but we were exhausted by the end of it. So I came back home, washed my feet, face. I already have the Laneige sleeping mask on. So skincare is doing its magic. While I talk to you guys, I am ready to call it a night. Let's see what tomorrow holds for us. Tomorrow we've decided to stay in. So we're probably going to film some videos, chill out, watch a movie. Let me know how your weekend was, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you.